Hello 12th class, this is your subject computer chapter 11 and here we will discuss the solution of assignment 1 that I gave you. So question number 1, what is a network? Why is it needed? Answer is a network is an interconnected collection of autonomous computer that can share and exchange informations. The major reasons that emphasize on the need of network are that is resource sharing, reliability, reduced cost and fast communication. These are the advantages of the network. Okay, you can explain these advantages also. Now question number 2, what is NIC? So NIC stands for Network Interface Card. It is also known as network adapter. It is in the form of add-in card and is installed in a computer so that the computer can be connected to a network. Okay, it is already installed in your system so that your computer can make a connection. Next, what is the purpose of using router? So a router can work like a bridge and can also handle different protocols. A router can locate the destination required by sending the traffic to another router if the destination is unknown to itself. Now question number 4 has a situation that your ABC school is planning to connect all computers, each spread over distance within 40 meters. So you have to suggest an economical cable type having the high speed data transfer which can be used to connect these computers. The answer is coaxial cable. Question number 5 also has two parts based on the situation that Mr. X, General Manager of United Nations Corporate, that recently discovered the communication between his company's account officer and HR office is extremely slow and signals drop quite frequently, and these offices are 120 meters away from each other and connected by Ethernet cable. So you have to suggest him a device which can be installed in between the offices for smooth communication. So the answer is repeater. And the second, what type of network is formed by having this kind of connectivity out of LAN, MAN and WAN? So the answer is LAN. Okay. Now next question. State two advantages of networking computer instead of having standalone computer. That is resource sharing and reduced cost. Now question number 7. What is the purpose of switch in a network? So the switches that connect multiple devices on a network similar to a hub but with one difference. A switch transmits data only to specific device while conserving the network bandwidth. Now question number 8. What is the use of repeater in a network? So a repeater is a device that amplifies a signal being transmitted on the network. It is used in long network lines which exceed the maximum rated distance for a single run. Now question number 9. What is the purpose of a server in a network? The answer is server facilitates sharing of data, software and hardware resources. Example printers, modem, etc. that on a network. Question number 10. What are the security concerns related to IoT? So the data security and privacy are major concerns related to IoT, and these devices are vulnerable to hacking and cloud endpoints that could be used by the hackers to attack servers. Okay, so these are the total 10 questions and these are the answers. I hope the answers are clear now. So you have to check your answer, and if you have any doubt then you can either mail me or just give me a message. So thank you and have a nice day.